I am the project manager for this project.
My name is Justin Bernard and I'm the site logistics manager for this project.
Hello, my name is Fadiodisha and I'm the project scheduler for this project.
Hey guys, I'm just Sandy from Group 5. We're doing the St. Louis State Life Science Building. I'm going to be the project estimator for the project.
Hello, my name is Pablo Denoyer, and for this project, my role was as the estimator.
Hello, my name is Victoria Chung. I'm an environmental specialist for this project.
Hello, my name is Emma. I am the project manager for this project, the new Life Sciences building here at SDSU. I am beyond thrilled to be able to lead this amazing team. My job here is to ease the process and resolve any issues that arise with any of our team members. My goal is to have the group communicate effectively in order to provide high quality, cost efficient, all while prioritizing the safety of everyone. We had many challenges on this site, such as the steep slope, traffic, and overhead utilities. So I will now leave this to our team members to further explain the issues and our recommendations.
Everyone, I'm Justin Bernard and I'm on SDSU North Life Science new project that will be built here this next year. So this is the current site that we're actually going to be building on. So as you can see, we're adjacent to Canyon Crest Road here with much traffic going on here, but we do have a plan for a little bit of traffic control going through this here on this right lane closest to us. We're also planning on using this adjacent lot 16 over here for trailer space as well as additional parking for the staff. As far as the site, we'll broke it down into 4 main phases. Phase 1 will be the demolition and excavation of this large area. Phase 2 will be the rough grading of that new area. Phase 3 will be our shell and core installation, and Phase 4 will be our finishes and landscaping. As far as the haul route, you can see from the back here that the I-8 runs parallel to our site with an easy access egress for the trucks as they come into the site. They'll come in exiting through this exit right here located, take a right, come down here, enter the site, and then be able to leave right out this way. So easy in access for the trucks. And that's about all I got.
Hello and welcome to the new North Life Science building on SDSU campus. Coming in here from College Avenue onto Canyon Crest Drive, we can begin to see how our traffic plan is set out. We have 4 lanes here on Canyon Crest Drive, and we're able to utilize 2 of them for dedicated construction operations while using the other 2 lanes for a forward and backwards lane of traffic. This allows the road to continue operation. To the right, we can see our general conditions layout with our trailers, our equipment laydown, material laydown, all being set up really on this parking lot 16 here that we have very fortunately next to the construction site. You can see here now the operations taking place to begin developing this retaining wall for the massive excavation that will need to be supported. You can see here the shotcrete that is beginning to be poured in order to begin this soil mill wall.
For this project, I briefly explained the stormwater quality management plan to determine the best management practice to control the run-on and run-off of stormwater. I analyzed the soil and the site information. According to the USDA web soil survey, on-site soil type is OKC. The site consists primarily of a hydrologic soil rupee. Therefore, the site was very low infiltration and high runoff potential when storage wet. In terms of existing conditions, the current site contains unvegetated soil area and block of shrub, grass, and other vegetation. There are no existing water treatment directly on the site. A construction site risk assessment has been performed for this project, and the resistance risk level is level 2.
How's it going, guys? I'm Justin. I'm the project estimator on St. Louis State Life Science building. So for this project, we're going to be looking at a 10,000 square foot building that's going to be on this project site. once it's graded, we're going to have a level 4 to develop and build on. And for myself, I'm going to be estimating some major components such as MEPs, which would be mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. And we'll also be looking at other components such as interior specs, such as faucets, cabinets, countertops, etc. And we'll have a pretty in-depth estimate of interior, exterior, and site.
All right, so I am Pablo. I was in charge of estimating on this project, and I'm here standing at the area where we anticipate we're gonna have a massive retaining wall, which is essentially gonna retain the massive excavation that we planned for this pretty steep slope that we have here. We really are looking to get the most in-depth estimate as to a lot of these operation costs, especially with excavation and demolition, even just the tree removal. You can see it's a very dense vegetation and a lot of trees here to remove, and that, you know, that all costs money. We have a lot of earthwork that we're looking to excavate to bring this grade down and to allow a building to eventually be constructed here. But yeah, really here just showing what one of the main challenges and features of this project is going to be is really the construction of this retaining wall and the massive excavation operation that's going to take place. Moving along now to another major milestone here for our project, which is the completion of the retaining walls. As you can see here, you can see the shape now of the soil nail wall, which we had originally set out with. However, the decision eventually came to split this slope into 2 retaining walls, with this one being a concrete masonry unit retaining wall, in order to lower the slope on this soil nail wall, which would have had to span about 50 feet. Really just not necessary, and overall just considering safety above everything in this. We can see the development of the foundation phase with rebar being set in place. We have concrete trucks getting ready to pour. We have formwork laid out. And as we see with the progress on the sunken plaza, the previous building has now been demolished, and the same sort of process going on with just final grading and site concrete ready to go in here. You can see the utility lines that we modeled just to show that at this point, we can really start hooking up the existing utilities to our new site now that the earthwork has been completed. And now the project is ready for the structure to rise.
The project is scheduled to take place on January 21, 2022 and finishes on May 26, 2024. The project duration is about 28 months and 74 days are allocated to pre-construction activity like trade buyout, subdrawing, delivery and fabrication of long lead items. We expect a long delays in the preparation of the site. Specifically, the steep slope will need heavy excavation.
And so now we conclude with the final product of what we believe this site can really produce. You can see this sunken plaza is now complete, and really the main thing with this building is just the ability to access it from Aztec Circle Drive here at the top and Canyon Crest Drive at the bottom. Really a lot of space still on the site to do maybe future developments, perhaps a parking lot. There's really a lot of design considerations here. But overall, this new building just simply adds to an already great campus and something to definitely be proud of looking back on.
We have now concluded this video. We hope that this was an informative video and that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for listening to our project overview and our recommendations. See you on design day.